This is the Solenoid Inductance Interactive Calculator, which calculates key electrical properties of solenoid coils for your engineering designs. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate inductance, calculate number of turns, calculate coil radius, calculate coil length, calculate relative permeability, and calculate stored energy. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate inductance. Next, enter the number of turns. I'm using 500. Then, input the coil radius in millimeters. That's 12.5. Add the coil length in millimeters. 75.0. Set the relative permeability. 1.0 for air core. Finally, enter the current in amperes, 2.0. After clicking calculate, here's what you get. The inductance is 2.0562 millihenries. This is your coil's ability to store magnetic energy. The cross-sectional area shows 490.87 square millimeters. Turn density is 6,666.7 turns per meter. L per turn squared equals 8.22 nanohenries per turn squared, useful for scaling calculations. Reactance at 1 kHz is 12.92 ohms, showing the opposition to AC current. The status confirms valid solenoid. This tool streamlines solenoid design calculations for your projects. Find the link in the description below.